This short video will show you how to book HTML ads as the process differs from the booking of static and animated GIF ads. The first thing to note is that all HTML orders need to be booked as a campaign, even if you are booking one single order. The reason behind this will be made clear as we move forward with the booking of our ad. So the first thing we're going to do is click New Campaign, choose Sun Media Multimedia. For the customer, you're going to import your customer name. For this purpose, I'm going to choose Test, and we're going to click Create. You're now brought to the campaign page. From here, you have the option to select a package or to add your orders individually. If I click Select Package, you can see the available packages, which are mostly animated GIF and static. Within the next couple weeks, you will see HTML orders within here, but it will take some time to process them to get them within the system. So for now, I'm just going to cancel out of that and I'm going to click Add Order. You see the option to click Order Templates or Custom. For order templates, eventually we will have HTML orders in here, probably within the next couple weeks or so, but for the time being, we ask that you choose the custom order. So from here, you're going to choose the product that you want your HTML order to go into. So I'm just going to choose Test Product for this purpose. I'm going to scroll down the ad type list until I see Web HTML HTML5. Then I'm going to click Create. Now I'm going to need to book a second order to go along with my HTML order, and it's going to be called a GIVOX order. So I'm going to click Add Order. Again, choose the Custom tab, choose your product, and scroll down the list until you see Web URL GIVOX. Now we're going to click Create. Now, something to note with HTML orders is that a GIVOX order must be booked alongside each HTML creative ad that is booked. So if I were booking a homepage takeover and I had 3 different creatives that I was getting built, I would have to book 3 GIVOX order to accompany these ads. Once the HTML ad is approved, our GIVOX order is going to pick up our completed creative, and then a script will be created to go to AdOps. So instead of sending our actual creative artwork to AdOps, we're now going to send a final script file. So let's walk through those steps. So the first thing we're going to do is click Edit under Actions for our HTML5 order. So from here we're brought to the Edit Order page. Anything marked Required to Activate in red must be chosen. So the first thing is production method. Just for this purpose, I'm going to choose a spec ad. For the size, we have a couple different options, custom, standard, or advanced. Please always choose the custom option, as if you were to choose standard or advanced, there is no ability to input your size, and the ad will go to NCN as the design team will not know what size to build. So right now we're going to choose custom, and I'm going to choose 300 by 250. Again, one thing to note is once the templates are available, the size will automatically be chosen for you ahead of time, and you will not need to make this step. But for now, please choose custom. Now our order source is going to be Affinity X Portal, and I know for a big box, max file size is 39. Production comments, in here you would put your DTI billing number. For a spec ad, this is not needed, but I'm going to keep this in here for now. Now for a run date, I'm going to choose a couple days ahead, so I'm going to choose the 30th for both. For placement, website, and for a tagline, I'm just going to put HTML order. And then I'm going to save and activate. You want to save and activate the order rather than save only, so that you don't have to come back later and reactivate the order. So from here we are brought to the order details page, and I can see the status is booked. I can refresh my screen and I will see that the status will change to awaiting materials. So from here in the top right hand corner you would click Actions, Upload Material, and you would upload the material to go along with this order. So now that we have that done, I'm going to go back to my campaign page. So I'm going to click Campaign in blue in the top left hand corner. So now I have to book my GIVOX order. So under Actions, I'm going to click Edit. So for every single GIVOX order, the production method is always going to be conversion. It's always going to be a pickup of the creative we just booked. So this is a campaign, and this order number is 38916-002. So I know that my creative is the same order except it's -001. So I'm going to copy that and I'm going to input it, change it to -001 because I'm picking up the HTML5 order and not the GIVOX because we're booking the GIVOX right now. I will see a check mark show up, so now I know the minute my HTML5 order is approved by the sales rep, this ad will automatically go and search for the HTML order and it'll pick it up, and then we'll get a script tag created. So from here, there's only a couple fields we need to fill out. So for size, always choose solo. For duration, we're going to choose 30 seconds. For max file size, we're going to choose the same size of our big box, so 39. And in production comments, again, you can choose just a small amount of words for a comment, so I'm just going to choose GIVOX order. Run date, again, would be the same as the HTML5, so I'm going to choose the 30th. Placement is website, and again, you can put in another tagline. And I'm going to save and activate this. Now that we're saving and activating the order, we will not need to upload materials because we have put in that this is a pickup. So our GIVOX order is put in as a pickup, and once the HTML5 is approved, this order will automatically go search out the approved ad and get it created for us. So I'm going to go back to the campaign page. So now you will see both of your orders within the list. You would see the HTML actually has material uploaded. We just skipped that step. And then you will see that your GIVOX order is awaiting materials. So you have now successfully booked an HTML order, and the next video will show you how to proof and deliver your files.